guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Yeah, my people, I greet tonight. A very wonderful Saturday afternoon. I greet tonight. I see that canary. See they make noise. That canary in Honda. Oh la la, side chick. You still make noise. Are you still making noise there? Your notice, your video, they sent that to me just some 10 minutes ago. I said, make I give you small one. No matter what the restriction, this page have been restricted during the political time. So make it the 5 followers. They use that one as yardstick. So you be better person. You be uhunda. It the day na zaga. It the day na wish. Now you be. You not rich. They send me your video now. You're listening to our finish now. You want to go dress your house. What an incompetent maga from the pit of hell. What is stark illiterate? You want to go dress your house. Now so they see mumu go they talk. I talk say I not be your mate. I know the joke. Record that you keep him. I say if need be, I'll come beat you for Zaragoza. I'll come put hand for your eyes. Then you come bring those your killers, come. Those your killer what you born for before. I just want to give you testing the microphone from this angle. I did outside. You know, say I not be you will be say that from bed to chair. No activities, nothing doing. No life. Well, after you don't hustle the money finish, you can't go give a ooh la la. Then you go there for pick up, they shake head like zombie. Your car go they shake you. After that one, you go stay for back of a 1 year door, old school house. What a shame and disgrace upon your stupid life. What a shame and disgrace. You go the talk say whether I me be your mate. I think shall not be your mate. I know if you go now, I know if you go bongo, can't go the stay for inside pick up. Can't they do video for one dirty old curtain window. You are a shameless woman. That's what you are. You be shameless woman. So I listen to your video. I listen right now. I go come beat you again today. You know, say my injection not good for your body. I will give you today. At the outside now. But you say your papa, your mama, your husband drive you for house. You not get house. Me and now if you stay house, just they wait for house. I get house, but I'll go out, go do things. I have things to be done, issues to be addressed. Not be you go do 2 hours cleaning job for hotel. They will bolingo you for there, finish. You come sit down for chair. If you don't sit down for chair, you go there for bed. What a useless life. That's not life. People like you supposed to go back home, go relax. Make you work out now a kiosk and market. Even they sell onions and tomatoes. I think it will be better for you. That will stay for bed. They do video every day. Bed. Nothing good about your life they see apart from bed. Apart from bed, nothing they say about your life. You go sleep for bed. Then you after you address people for bed. People you address they be fools that addressing people from your stupid bed. There's no day you go just sit down. They'll just see you for one better place where you do video. No, bed to chair. To that your chair will use whatever take cover. You know they even go there now because they don't tell you that one that does you pick up from. You're not going there again. If you not go that than the table where you draw chair, crow cry. You there for that your bed. And that bed they go for bury you put this time around. We'll go buy you. I tell you, say, I go beat you. If need be, I'll come Zaragoza. Go tell her to the highest authority in Spain. You own not too much. Your mama die. You don't even get respect for the dead. That saga, Senegal, this, that. Only you, storyteller. Now you the one believe. the best storyteller in town. It's only you they will believe. Only you they fight everybody. When your one team fail you now, you cannot rest. You cannot respect the dead. Say, let me give the dead respect. No. 1 second, and Omofuma. The other second, Senegal voice of whatever. The other second, Kate Odie. The thing when you talk about Kate Odie, mama, you see her for your eyes. Unda. You see her for your eyes. When you come for those cyberspace, say, nah, truth. You see her for your eyes. You see her for eyes. Unda momu joy. See your pikin, Lola. If picture don't come out, you dey try to say you want bring my wife picture. You want flog Ogugo by you. I go flog you, flog ulala, flog your generation yet unborn. Put together. Now Lola go the flog. Try bring my wife picture. Ma will kill you. Bring my wife. Talk to my wife right now. Make you shoot Lola. How I go do Lola? How I go do Lola? How I go do everything about you? Are you stupid? I'm giving you a sound warning. Take her and believe it. This is no joke this time around. Go buy you plus ulala. You want to bring my wife picture? My wife is not an old woman. No matter what, make una the life of both side of una stupid mouth. My wife not be old woman. My wife is far more beautiful than you. Get character past you. She's beautiful in everything more than you. My wife not get two husbands. My wife not gonna talk say, even though they talk say get two husbands, she's good with it. It was you that said it. So why are you crying now that you cannot debunk? You don't feel debunk things that time. You take out a pride. You want to make those people come take and say now the new thing in town is a new tradition in town. A woman can be proud. They say I get two husbands. No, it is sweet. It is beautiful. You too hot. You too sexy. If you get two husbands, a thing of joy. What a fuck up from your part. Now I give you water. Say no. Your pressure went wrong. I say no. Just because of say you and your friend get small misunderstanding, you just come and pressure. That same thing you cry. Say that's what they do. Now you do. Now say make I first tackle you first. Who they fear you? Can't talk as much as you can talk. My skin don't tough. My skin don't tough for this matter. Now swear. Not be. I know they call Benin land go swear. This time around, I tell them I say this swear I go swear for you, especially you. Even though you not talk her, not be you talk her directly. For come to the less emphasis on it again, you will collect. Tell Lola make you do a fake why you native daughter swear. You Lola na fake native daughter. It's a fake. It's a fucking fake. They don't try to come up for palace. Nothing we go swear put if you work for Benin land anymore. They don't swear for him. They don't drive her. He be Oyomba. Ulala Oyomba #1. Unda. This not testing the microphone. I say, may I give you small, say I hear your message. I dey call for you later. I'll call show you. If you say your papa not get house, your husband drive you come off, you know even get husband. You know if you get husband. See ulala, we be like signboard. Ulala. If I start to work on ulala, you go run now. Ulala will be like a 10 signboard put together. One person husband be like signboard. That's what you dey proud for. Hi. He pay me for you, Sha. He pay me for you. So as soon as you'll be like double signboard, billboard, Atiku and Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar and Tinubu put together. Ooh la la, it just be like that. That you get proud of. You want to take ooh la la, compare brand men. You don't get shame. Go and hide the shame. Go by yourself and they come for you later. Now, small one I give you now. My people are getting with better style. This is idiot from the pit of hell. Who is this stark illiterate from nowhere? Hi, human traffic cashier una carry dustbin come Europe too much dustbin. With respect to the good ones who still revive themselves from that subhuman bondage. With respect to them, this idiot, his mama die. He no go rest. She refused to rest. Every second, every minute, they sing like canary bird. You go hear a water. How many people you go fit fight? Every day they sing. Don't carry my video, but now this story don't change. Don't carry my video. Don't change. Don't take my video now. You don't say things that they beat you now. Don't carry my video has changed. The story don't change already. What a stupid and dejected, frustrated Umunda of Babe. The head of the put thief to enter house. Useless. Even though you be woman, they say make I not answer you. I go answer you. Go post picture. Make we start out dirty. Let's go dirty this time around. Let's go double dirty. Now you your own saka. Your pikin down the open yash or TikTok. My daughter, not be stepdaughter, she's my daughter. She get values past that your stupid one. What they call my stepdaughter, she's my daughter. She get moral values past that your own. What they open yash or TikTok. No decency, no honor, no good comprehension, no ideologies, no character to pass across to children. As you just be so, I wonder how your children will be as you be so, as you old rich so. No values. Now they did that one concept of Facebook. They do say you want get swag, you want get money. Don't take my video. When you say market kill and finish now, pay show went wrong. Now take my video. What is double standard, stupid idiot from the pit of hell that you are? Just they laugh you and they come beat you later. That time I will show my face. Now they outside. I'm not there for bed. They talk to you because you know, before you go see my bed, you go take some ages. Just they show that your bed every day, every second. Go take effect, they wrap your face. They show your face, say you fine. You not get fresh mark, you don't old. Your brain don't rot. You dey sick. You dey sick for head. You dey sick. You're not normal. Seriously, you're not normal. This now the elders where Edo produce. You want to go into tribalism? Say, I never talk to Don Richie. I never talk to this Papa Wala. How many times you just see me they talk to Papa Wala? How many times? Make I save the best for last, my people. Make I save. I will too beat you today. I too believe in myself. I go beat you. No matter what. Make you like get 50,000 followers. This page was restricted when we started to do politics. And this page is just 2 years. I not bother where they reach. As far as they not fit take out message they come out from here. Let it go. Not beyond maybe 20,000 followers. But if you they do video, 2 people they watch you. 10 people will comment, 2 shares. You get message, no message. So what I will not say? Go and sleep and they call for you later.